If Microsoft Word is showing error 53003, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error is usually related to sign-in, licensing, or account access issues inside Microsoft 365, so the good news is that it's often something you can resolve without reinstalling everything. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common cause. Check whether you are using a blocked VPN. Sometimes Microsoft services detect certain VPN connections and prevent Word or other Microsoft 365 apps from signing in properly. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off completely and then try opening Word again. If you are on a work or school network, also make sure your connection is stable and not being filtered by security software. Next, sign out of all Microsoft 365 apps. This is important because error 53003 can happen when your credentials get stuck or outdated across multiple apps. Open Word, Excel, Outlook, or any other Microsoft 365 app you use, and sign out of your Microsoft account everywhere. After that, close all the apps fully, wait a few seconds, and then sign back in with the same account. This refreshes your authentication and can often clear the error right away. If you are using Word in a browser, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes interfere with Microsoft login sessions and cause sign-in errors. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear the cached images and files. After clearing the cache, restart your browser, go back to Microsoft Word Online, and sign in again. This simple step can make a big difference if the problem is browser-related. Now, if the issue still continues, go to the control panel on your computer and change Microsoft Office. To do this, open Control Panel, find Programs, then open Programs and Features. Look for your Microsoft Office installation in the list, select it, and choose Change. Depending on your version, you may see options such as Quick Repair or Online Repair. Start with Quick Repair first because it is faster and can fix common file or installation problems. If that does not solve it, run the Online Repair option, which is more thorough and can repair deeper issues inside Office. Once the repair is complete, restart your computer and launch Word again. Then sign back in and check whether error 53003 is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will restore access and get Microsoft Word working normally again. If you are still seeing the error after that, double check that the Microsoft account you are using is the correct one for your subscription or organization. Sometimes users accidentally sign in with the wrong account, and that can trigger access problems. Also, make sure your Windows date and time are set correctly because incorrect system time can interfere with secure sign-in. So, to quickly recap, the main fixes are: make sure you are not using a blocked VPN, sign out of all Microsoft 365 apps and sign back in, clear your browser cache if you are using web apps, and go to Control Panel to repair Microsoft Office. These steps solve a large number of Microsoft Word sign-in and access errors, including 53003. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.